project out here in Lake County replaced the existing ramp going from 271 north to 90 westbound. Included the reconstruction of 2 bridges. The original bridges on this ramp were built in the early 60s and were in need of some maintenance. They needed new decks, some repairs to the substructure units. That's really the reason that we did this project. Because the old ramp was so narrow, we could not do part width, so we built the new ramp on new alignment.
The project started off as a deck replacement project. We looked at 4 alternatives. This ramp, it carries 26,000 vehicles a day. The peak hour, 3,200 vehicles go across this ramp. So we were looking really to maintain the 2 lanes, existing lanes that come across these bridges.
And once the additional funding was secured, the scope was revised to replace the 2 Ramp C bridges on new alignment, such that the contractor could build those 2 bridges offline. The 2 bridges are the 3-span roll beam bridge over Eddy Road and the 4-span plate girder bridge over Interstate 271 and Ramp B.
The district and MS consultants worked collaboratively into coming up with a solution that maintained 2 lanes of traffic. The preferred alternative, our path going forward, we moved into detailed design and construction, was the most expensive initially.
We investigated that structure to be widened in the future. Today it has typical shoulders, but in the future it will be able to be widened while considering aesthetics and constructability. However, the curve girder bridge, which is the 4-span structure and the most expensive piece on this project, was designed with an extra wide shoulder. That extra wide shoulder allows the current bridge to be redecked in the future while maintaining 2 lanes of traffic. We certainly learned from this project that we want to be considerate of the future needs to maintain traffic and also to maintain the inventory or the asset.
We won't be having to come back to these bridges in a long time. I just want to say thanks to MS Consultants. They jumped on this project immediately within 6 weeks of being authorized. Jonathan being the PM, he was very good at communication and documentation. Definitely keys to the success here on this project. He's looking for the department's input, but he also has suggestions and solutions for us to consider.
This project, it was a great experience. As Kevin and I worked together, we formed a very good working relationship. While this project was challenging, it was facilitated by the continual communication that we had. Kevin was always available and responsive whenever questions needed to be answered. Both Kevin and I were vested in ensuring a comprehensive, biddable set of plans was developed and that construction cost estimating was appropriate. I feel we met that goal, and I'm very happy with the outcome of this project.
And then I would like to throw out our retiree at District 12, Dennis O'Neill, really spearheading the traffic discussions out here on this site.
District 12 Construction did a great job of running this project, and the contractor also did a very good job of building this complex project over a heavily traveled highway corridor.
I'm very happy to think in the far future, when it comes time to perform rehabilitation on these structures, future designers will review the 2019 plans put together by MS Consultants and know that their interests were considered. The same project challenges will not be repeated by the department and future designers because we thought ahead, we fulfilled our current needs, and looked towards the future work in this area.